In this video, we're going to go through tickets and ticket creation on Gigsheets in more detail. There are many options to choose from when it comes to creating and categorizing tickets. These options are designed to provide the best possible framework to support and improve your team's workflow. There are two places that tickets can be created. The first one is the plus icon at the top, the other option is directly within the column. If you've watched some of the other Gigsheets training videos, you should be somewhat familiar with the ticket creation window. Ticket name is at the top, followed by the project and column options. With these options, you can create a ticket directly into the column of any project you have access to. To the right, you have the option to watch this ticket, as well as the option to link this ticket to an epic. When you watch a ticket, it will be placed on your homepage under the heading, What I'm Tracking. Tickets that are assigned to you will automatically be shown here. Then there is the ticket type option. The default option is Story, but you can select either Bug, Task, or Suggestion. These options are simply to categorize your ticket appropriately, and do not change how the ticket behaves. Next, we have Ticket Priority. The options are Low, Medium, or High. You can also leave it blank if priority is not applicable. Feature is a user-selected field that accepts a single custom tag. You simply type the tag you want and hit Enter. A feature tag is optional and is used to group tickets together in release notes, which is covered in more detail in another video. The ticket assignees are the members who are responsible for this ticket. When you add an assignee to a ticket, they are notified of this based on their notification preferences. The description field is known as a "what you see is what you get" field. This means that any formatting used and shown here is precisely how it will appear in reports and other places. At the top right, you will see an option to add a checklist to your ticket. You can add multiple checklists by clicking the Add Checklist option again. To the right of each checklist item, you will see two options, Create Ticket and Delete. Clicking Create Ticket will remove the checklist item and create a new ticket in the background, with the name of this checklist item as the new ticket name. This new ticket will be created in the same project and column specified over here. Label tags are also optional and are used for associating a group of tickets to each other. You simply type the tag that you want to use and hit Enter. Unlike a feature tag, which can only have one tag, multiple labels can be assigned to the same ticket. Any tags that have been created by other users in the same project are saved, and will appear here in the label shortlist. Most file formats are supported when uploading, but when you upload an image, you have the option to select it as the cover image for this ticket. Lastly, we have the Create Another option, which is helpful in streamlining the bulk creation of tickets. From here, we move on to the Ticket Update window, which has a few additional options. The reason that all these options are not immediately available when creating tickets is because in the Agile process, ticket creation and sprint planning or backlog grooming happens at different times. At the top right, you have the option to make a copy of this ticket, along with all the ticket details and options. The Ticket Delete option will delete this ticket. Underneath the Epic selector, there is a due date field. If this ticket has a specific due date that is different from the overall sprint, this can be specified here. Story points represent the perceived difficulty or complexity of this ticket, from lowest to highest. Alternatively, this number system can represent any scale your team prefers. Below that is a field called Hours. This field can be used in any way that the team members see fit. An example use case is an estimation of how many hours this ticket will take to complete. At the bottom of every ticket, there is a comments section, as well as ticket history. Comments are in plain text only, and the history section shows any and all changes to a ticket. This includes the date of change, the action taken, and the user who performed those changes. Congratulations, you have completed the in-depth training on tickets and ticket creation.